In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get promo code on Ikea 2025, step by step. If you're looking to unlock real savings at Ikea, the key is to start with Ikea Family. This is Ikea's free loyalty program, and it's where most promo codes and member-only deals come from. Think of it as your gateway to exclusive discounts, limited time offers, and special prices that regular shoppers don't see. Begin by searching for Ikea membership in your browser. Look for the official Ikea results for your country or region, since promotions are local and the best deals only appear on the site that matches where you shop. Once you're on the correct site, head to the Ikea Family section and join. It's quick and free. After you create your account and sign in, you'll be recognized as a member on the website and in the app, which is important because many offers are automatically tied to your membership. Ikea Family is where the promo codes live. Members often receive deals directly by email or through app alerts, especially for limited time sales or special categories. Keep an eye on those messages so you don't miss time-sensitive codes. If you prefer app alerts, make sure notifications are enabled, and if you rely on email, check your promotions or spam folders from time to time so the offers don't get lost. Now, on your local Ikea website, navigate to the offers section. You'll sometimes see it labeled as limited time offers or simply offers on the main menu. This page brings together current promotions, member prices, and seasonal savings. You'll also notice everyday low price tags, which highlight consistently reduced pricing. These don't always require a code, but they're still valuable savings. When a promotion does require a code, it will typically be displayed on the offer page or delivered to members through email or the app. From the offers area, browse by category to narrow things down. Click into the departments you're interested in, like storage, kitchen, or bedding, to see what's discounted right now. Because you're on your local site, the prices, availability, and promotions you see will match your market. That's the whole flow. Search for IKEA membership, join IKEA Family for free, use your local IKEA site, check the offers page, and watch for member emails and app alerts. Visit the offers section regularly. Explore the categories you care about, and you'll catch new promo codes and member-only deals as they appear. Thanks for watching, and happy saving on your next IKEA haul.